What happens when your septic tank loses its natural bacteria? Your septic tank depends on healthy bacteria to break down waste and keep the system working properly. These tiny microorganisms digest solid waste, reduce sludge buildup, and help wastewater flow smoothly. When the bacteria become weak or disappear, the septic system can quickly develop problems. Knowing the signs septic tank bacteria are low can help homeowners avoid costly repairs and serious damage. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 5 signs septic tank bacteria are low. 1. Bad smells around drains. A strong sewage odor near sinks, toilets, or outside around the tank is often the first warning sign. Low bacteria levels slow down waste decomposition, causing unpleasant gases to build up. 2. Slow draining water. If bathtubs, sinks, or toilets drain slowly, the septic tank may not be breaking down waste efficiently. Solid materials can begin collecting inside the system. 3. Frequent backups. When bacteria are insufficient, waste accumulates faster than normal. This can lead to wastewater backing up into toilets or household drains. 4. Excess sludge in the tank. Healthy bacteria naturally reduce sludge levels. Without enough bacteria, solid waste settles quickly and fills the tank much faster than expected. 5. Wet or soggy drain field. A failing septic system may release untreated wastewater into the drain field. This can create standing water, muddy soil, or extra green grass patches above the field. What causes low septic tank bacteria? Several common habits can destroy beneficial bacteria inside the tank. 1. Using too much bleach or chemical cleaners. 2. Flushing medications or antibiotics. 3. Pouring grease and oil down the drain. 4. Flushing non-biodegradable items. 5. Excessive water usage that dilutes bacteria. How to restore healthy bacteria. To improve septic tank performance, homeowners should use septic-safe cleaning products, avoid harsh chemicals, add biological septic tank treatments when needed, pump the tank regularly, only flush waste and septic-safe toilet paper. These simple maintenance steps help restore the natural balance inside the tank. A septic tank cannot function properly without healthy bacteria. When bacteria levels drop, problems such as odors, slow drains, backups, and drain field damage can appear. Recognizing the early signs septic tank bacteria are low allows homeowners to take action before the system fails. Regular maintenance and proper septic tank treatment can keep the system efficient, clean, and long-lasting. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.